Yep.
All right, but you talked to the prosecutor. And the paperwork I've got in front of me says that you're going to plead guilty to a dangerous dog misdemeanor from January 27, and 2 civil infractions from that same date would be dismissed. Is that correct? Did you read your rights form? Do you understand those rights and the options they present to you? Understanding that, and do you understand the possible penalty for the charge, the misdemeanor? Up to 90 days in jail, up to $500 fines plus court costs. So that's 0-2, right? You understand that?
Yeah.
I'm not putting you in jail on a dog cart charge. And understanding all of that, are you pleading guilty to that dangerous dog? Are you doing so freely and voluntarily? I will dismiss the 2 civil infractions. On January 27, 2026, did you have a dog in Van Buren Township? And did your dog knock a neighbor down, causing an injury?
It is not my dog, but I was.
You were responsible for it? Whose dog is it?
An elderly neighbor behind me.
Okay, so you were dog setting? For the record, I put that in air quotes. Okay, all right. Okay, I can accept the plea then. How's the neighbor, if you know, the injured neighbor?
I'm actually very close to her. This was a really unfortunate.
So no ongoing problems or anything? Okay.
She doesn't have much of it. I'm the full responsibility here, and my homeowner's insurance has covered her medical.
Good.
But it's going to run upwards of over $150,000.
Are you? What happened?
Hairline fracture in the knee. Well, what happened was I was shoveling her driveway. My own, she lives across the street from me, and she came home with her son, and the dog was on the retractable leash and had given too much lead, and it was icy, so she was walking with her son to the door, and the dog circled around them with the lead.
Yeah, I mean, she went down.
Yeah, but she's seems to be doing fine.
Okay.
Haven't seen her out much, but she did go to a rehab center for aftercare when she.
Okay. Older lady?
She's about 70.
Yeah.
We were very close before this, but my insurance company advised me not to speak with her.
Yeah.
See her.
Right.
I'd like to have a conversation with her about it.
Sure. Yeah.
She knows it wasn't anybody.
Yeah, so if I've got this right, you were doing a favor for one neighbor by watching their dog and doing a favor for another neighbor by doing her snow, and this happened.
Yeah.
All right, so the prosecutor asked me to delay sentence on this for 6 months. Can you stay out of trouble for 6 months?
I will do my thing with that.
Okay, so no new crimes, and we'll dismiss this at the end of 6 months. All right, good luck. Obviously, I'm not charging any money.
Thank you very much.
Lisa Moore? No.
Thank you so much. I just started working again.
You're welcome. You're welcome. Again, I hope your neighbor's knee is doing well.
Thank you.
Lisa Moore, civil infraction. Good morning. Ms. Moore, I've got a piece of paper asking me to dismiss a ticket that was issued to you on February 13, inoperable vehicle in the city of Romulus. You okay with the dismissal? Go away. Have a nice day.
You too.
I texted Susie saying, "Poppy's doing." Basically, she said she's okay. She just had a homemade bagel from my niece. My niece is making sourdough Asiago cheese bagels. And said, right now, all she can think about is she wants a medium Diet Coke from McDonald's if I come home for lunch. I said, well, I'm not likely to get home until after 1, but I'll stop at McDonald's. She gave up Diet Coke completely. And she drank all those ice waters, and all that kind of stuff, until she started going to the hospital in January. Now, all of a sudden, she's back on Diet Coke.
Is it because they didn't offer any of the different, did they offer?
I was bringing stuff to the hospital. I was bringing ice water to the hospital. So she was drinking whatever she wanted to drink there.
Oh, wow.
But she just almost there now. She's got to get Diet Cokes all the time. But
They are miracle workers if you get them from them.
it's still Diet.
Oh, so good.
So we went to dinner Saturday.
Oh, can I just tell you? your YouTubers are not happy when you don't. They're like, if I was there in person, I'd be able to hear you. He goes, so I am involved in survey, and that's what I'm gonna complain about.
Good morning, sir.
Green Hill Bogan. That's correct.
Mr. Bogan, Green Hill Bogan, are you going forward today without an attorney? All right, let me find your file. All right, good enough. All right, so I understand you have met with the prosecutor and you're pleading guilty to violation of parental responsibility. Did you read your rights form? Do you understand those rights and the options they give you? And do you understand the possible penalty for the charge? Up to 90 days in jail, up to $500 fines plus court costs. Let me stop you. That's the possible penalty. Right. I have to take your plea, I have to make sure you understand what the possible penalty is, even though I'm not planning on putting you in jail and charging money. Understood? Understanding all of that, are you pleading guilty to the charge? Doing so freely and voluntarily? All right. And how old is Cassidy?
Just time step.
7? And how many days has she missed at Hale Creek?
With my surgery, I'll be in and out of the hospital and out of the home, so I can't really put time,
Has she missed more than 15 days?
around that.
Okay, all right. I can accept your guilty plea then. So you limped in, so you got a leg problem, foot problem, what's going on?
Oh, I know.
Okay, so I'm assuming it was not just a run-of-the-mill break. Did you have to do surgery and everything?
Yeah.
Okay, they put some steel in? Probably not steel, titanium, probably. Okay, all right. So when was your last surgery? Yeah. Oh, new. Last April. Wow, all right.
For December 8th.
You must have really done a job on your leg. Okay, all right. Are you working? Were you working before this? Where were you working before the injury?
Between 8, 7, like,
How long were you there?
just started a job like 4 months in advance.
Okay, all right. How'd you do that?
Food came to me. Actually, like, shopping for me.
So you're dealing with all the court stuff too?
Yeah.
All right. All right. So how is Cassidy's attendance going now?
Posted with cheap
All right.
gift, like a package gift for coming to school, utensils.
Okay. All right. So since you got your health stuff on the mend, that wasn't a problem anymore. Okay. All right. So the way this works is I'll delay sentence for 12 months. As long as you don't commit any crimes and the attendance issues don't become a problem again, this will be dismissed at the end of 12 months. Understood? All right. Any questions? All right. Good luck with the leg. You're welcome so much.
That's like it's a true information from my dad. It's somewhat true, but I don't think it's said as a satellite.
Now another parental responsibility case comes before the court. But this time, the parent isn't making excuses. Instead, they're dealing with a major leg injury, surgeries, and the challenges that come with recovering while raising a child.